In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a picture in WPS Office 2026. Step by step. Let's start by opening WPS Office and loading the file you're working on, whether it's a document, a presentation, or a spreadsheet. Once your file is open, find the picture you want to move, click it if you're on a computer, or tap it if you're on a touchscreen. You'll know it's selected when you see a border and small handles around the image. With the picture selected, click and hold, then drag it to the place you want. On touch devices, press and hold briefly, then slide your finger to pick it up and position it. Watch how the image moves across the page or slide. This is the simplest way to reposition it. If you also need to adjust the size, use the handles around the edges of the picture. Drag a corner handle to resize while keeping the proportions looking natural. If you pull from a side handle, it will stretch the image horizontally or vertically, which can distort it, so corners are usually the safest choice. Sometimes a picture won't move the way you expect. That usually means it's locked to the text layout. In that case, tap or click the image again to confirm it's selected, then look for wrap text or layout options. Choose a layout that allows freer movement. In front of text lets the picture float above the text so you can place it anywhere without the text pushing back. Square wraps the text evenly around the image, which is great when you want the picture embedded in a paragraph while still being movable. After you pick the layout that fits your needs, move the picture again and fine-tune its position. Take a moment to align it with nearby elements, like headings, margins, or key content on the slide. Small nudges can make a big difference in how polished the page looks. When you're happy with the placement, click or tap anywhere outside the image. This step deselects the picture and applies the changes, so you don't accidentally move it again while working on other content. Finally, save your file to keep the new picture position. A quick save now prevents surprises later and locks in the layout you just created. That's it. You've opened your file, selected your image, moved and resized it, adjusted the layout if needed, confirmed the position, and saved your work, all inside WPS Office.